Hey guys, today's video is going to be about a comparison of the three different colors with the Saint Laurent Uptown clutches. As you can see, I got all three of them. I really like this design of the bag and the prices. I'm going to be showing you how they look. I will do an unboxing. I will try to put as many things as I can into these bags to see how much they can fit, and in the end I'm gonna show you mod shots of how they look with my outfit. And I also will have to choose one of these bags to return because I don't think I can keep all three of them. So let's start watching. Okay, so we will start unboxing the Uptown clutch in three different colors. As you can see, they all came in one box. I'm gonna open it, and the packaging is pretty minimal. There's just three boxes. It's tied up in a ribbon. Very nice. So there you go. That's how they look. I will start unboxing this one first. Pretty easy. There's a dust bag that comes with it. So the first one is the red one. As you can see, I got it in the grainy leather because I think it's lower maintenance, and I think it looks really good. This red looks really good with the golden hardware, and you can see it in the camera. It's really nice. You can open it. Packaging. The inside is some lining. It's not a very big bag, but it's actually really soft. You can see it's really soft. So this is the red one. Now the second one, it's a little bit tighter, this one. Remember, I will have to choose 2 out of 3 in the end on which 2 I should keep. So that's dust bag again. This is the white one. So I also got this one in the grainy leather because I think it will look really bulgy if I stuff enough things in it. It's like a light color. Even though I prefer the smooth leather material on the white color, but I still got the grainy leather one. It's really pretty, as you can see. Again, inside of the bag. So this is the second one. Get to the third one. So the last one is the black one. I got this one in smooth leather just because I think it looks really sleek, and black is a lower maintenance color, so I think I might be able to use it without getting it too dirty just because it's black. I have the receipt here. So dust bag. So this is the black one. As you can see, it's really shiny compared to the grainy one. It's just a different texture. Again, I got the grainy one because they are lower maintenance, and it's less easy to get fingerprints on them. In fact, you don't get anything on them really. But the smooth one looks really sleek. However, it is higher maintenance, as in it's easier to get it dirty, but if it's black, I think it might be okay. So I got the black one in smooth leather. So here are all three of them. I'm going to put stuff in it so that you can see how it looks like when they have enough things in it. So we're now going to start fitting as many things as I can into the clutch, and we'll see how bulgy it is. So just open it up. First of all, I have 2 phones, so this clutch must fit 2 phones. for me. 2 phones in here. And then I also have lipstick, so typical lipstick. And I have a hand lotion as well. And have some cards, like it could be a credit card, Metro card, anything. The one thing I wish it had is like a little inner pocket, because that way I can separate my cards from my other things. Another thing is a compact powder, side, and eyeshadow. Also an eyeliner, which is necessary sometimes when you go out. And here's like some candies that I bring with me. So I'm able to, it seems, to fit everything into the bag, and it's able to close. As you can see, there's a little bit of bulginess here and in the back. I think if you don't like it like this, then you can probably take away like the compact powder. But I think that's kind of essential, and for me, I would be okay taking this out like just in this state. And I actually think the leather is really soft and expandable. I don't feel like I'm hurting the bag that much. Obviously, if you are afraid that you will de-shape or unshape the bag, then you might not want to put so much stuff in it. But I'm the type of person who needs like everything with me, so this is how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna try to put in the same amount of things into the other 2 colors so you can see how bulgy it is. So as you can see, this is the white purse with everything I put inside. Again, it's still a little bulgy, but if you don't mind it, it's actually like I don't feel uncomfortable holding it, and I want you to see the inside, how it looks. So I managed to put everything in there, and I can still close it with not that much of a problem, because there's a magnetic close here, so it's actually okay. So this is the black Uptown clutch with everything in it. At first I thought it's gonna look even more bulgy than the grainy leather one, but I think as you can see, it actually doesn't look that much worse than the other 2 after I stuffed everything in. And honestly, I actually don't think the fingerprint, which is the main concern about the smooth leather, I don't think it's actually that big of a problem. As you can see, I've been putting my hand on it. I mean, my hand is not super greasy, but I would expect that it has some kind of fingerprint on the bag, but I actually don't see it. So actually the smooth leather is holding up pretty well, more than I expected, and this is how it looks. Now we're going to move to the Modshots with all these 3 different colors. So I'm 5'1". This is how it looks like when I'm holding this clutch. I will hold it this way, or like this, like that, like this. On the side, and I will hold it like this, like that, in the front. This white color is a really nice summer color. I think it looks really cool. On the side. So after careful thinking and consideration, I have to choose to return one of these clutches. And honestly, I really like the red and the white color. I think they're kind of hard to come by. The white one is really nice summer color. The red one is just makes your outfit pop really well, no matter what you're wearing. And I think I actually like the black one a lot because it has a really nice, sleek, smooth leather. However, I do think that it stands out less than the other 2 colors, and I have a feeling that it's easier to find a black bag to go with my outfits than these 2 other colors. So instead of keeping all of them, I will be returning the black one, and I'm keeping these two, which are just beautiful. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.